Hello, my friends. I'm Professor Hans von Puppet. Perhaps you've heard I will not be moving to Pittsburgh. It was a big decision, I must admit. You have that wonderful downtown section, and the universities are great. Plus, you worship my shade of yellow gold. When people ask me about my choice not to move my laboratory, I generally just give a fake answer. I don't want to stir up controversy. It's not really in my nature. I'm a scientist. I'm a businessman. I create things for a living. What was I talking about? All right, the reason I'm not moving to Pittsburgh, well, it's getting too dangerous, and I think your mayor is bonkers.